Hi, I am from Kite AID. Today topic is IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things. IoT technology refers to the software and hardware used to connect device to the internet. And the next, components of the IoT technology. Mainly, components of the IoT technology is sensor, connectivity, and cloud, and UI interface. First one is sensor. Sensors are collect data from environment. Example like motion sensor and temperature sensor. And next one is connectivity. Connectivity nothing but a connect to the collected data to the internet is called connectivity. Example Wi-Fi, hotspot, and etc. Third one, cloud or storage. Cloud is stores a huge amount of data. Stores, and whenever we want to retrieve is called cloud. Example AWS and Drive, Google Drive, Microsoft, etc. Fourth one, user interface. User interface, UA. User interface allows the user to control the devices or the devices through mobile apps or websites is called user interface.